Hello everybody, this is Sumanabi and I'm on Samarth Bharat presenting before you GK today. Now, in today's GK snippets, you have the following question. So I'll go ahead. Which of the following toy manufacturing company has announced its collaboration with NITI Aayog and the NGO Save the Children to support kids impacted by COVID-19 in India? So the options are Hasbro, option B Mega Brands, option C Fisher Price, and option D the Lego Group. So basically, before you go ahead, I would like to mention that all these four companies are very famous toy manufacturing companies. And for example, Hasbro is a USA toy manufacturing company. Mega Brands also is a Canadian-based toy manufacturing company. Fisher Price also is a USA-based toy manufacturing company. And the Lego Group is a toy manufacturing company based in Denmark. So among these four options, which is the right answer? Yes. If your option is option number D, then it's the right answer. It is the Lego Group. So what is this Lego Group? So Lego Group, as I told you earlier, it is a very famous toy manufacturing company that is based in Denmark. It's a Danish toy production company that is based in Billund, Denmark, and it is best known for the manufacture of Lego brand toys, consisting mostly of interlocking plastic bricks. So the Lego Group has also built several amusement parks around the world, each known as Legoland, and operates numerous retail stores worldwide. So in the file photo, you can see the picture of those Lego blocks, and based on this, you can create very distinctive toys, warplanes, banks, any other structures. So Lego Group, actually it is a very fascinating time pass for the children, and in fact it is a very creative, it moods very creative ideas also for children, and it is in fact a very engaging for the children. So this company, that is Lego Group, along with our NITI Aayog and the NGO Save the Children, has announced its collaboration to support kids impacted by COVID-19 in India. So it has basically introduced targeted initiatives in the country to promote learning through play and support home-based learning during the crisis. And this effort will definitely help in strengthening communities to combat COVID-19. So before moving on to the next slide, I would like to mention that children in our country and throughout the world are just literally locked up in the houses, yes or no? And basically kids from the age group of 4 to at least 13 years, they are very proactive, and they require experiential learning, they require learning through playing, and all this is held up because of the COVID-19 impact. So in order to initiate or promote learning through play, Lego Group has introduced certain initiative targets through NITI Aayog and the NGO Save the Children. Now also Atal Innovation Mission and NITI Aayog also has joined this project through the Lego Group initiative, and the features of this project are as follows. It promotes learning through play and support home-based learning during the crisis. In the file photo also you can see they are very tiny blocks wherein you can just add on and create very wonderful beautiful structures, right from house structures, building blocks, war planes and whatnot. So and it helps, the main best aspect of it is because even I have seen my child playing through this or getting very actively engaged with these Lego toys, and it is very engaging. Hours together the child can get immersed building blocks and creating wonderful designs out of it. So basically it will promote learning through play. And also another feature of this project is providing educational kits and play materials for use at home, as well as guiding parents and caregivers on hygiene and responsive caregiving. Okay, so they will also introduce certain nice educational toy kits that will also promote learning, hygiene and responsive attitudes that a child has to develop, especially during combating this COVID-19. See, here you can see the file photo of a child who has created a beautiful war tanker out of this Lego toy design. apart from that, it provides readily available offline, online resources and play activities for the students that foster creativity skills and inculcate their design thinking. On the left hand also you can see a file photo of a child where he has created a city bank out of these Lego toys. So if you closely look at this toy, you can see that there is a heading made out of the Lego blocks itself. Inside there is an ATM machine, there's a dispenser, and there is a CC camera. There is a person who is operating the ATM machine. So innovatively, as a child sees the world around him, he tries to recreate it using this Lego toy. So in fact, it is very apt and very engaging. So through the recently, when it was introduced 2 days back, Vivek Jain, who is the general manager of the Lego Group of India, in a press statement has said that through Let's Build Together initiative, let us focus on ensuring that children of all ages can continue to be creative, to have fun, and to develop the social, emotional, and physical skills they need to thrive in the future. And the initiative will also improve access to quality pre-education, school education through the integrated child development services and preschool centers when they will reopen. And as a part of its collaboration with Atal Innovation Mission, the NITI Aayog, and the NGO, that is Save the Children, the Lego Group will provide readily available offline and online resources and play activities for the children to foster their creative skills and inculcate design thinking. So I hope so. This particular question was of immense help to you. And the picture, I would like to give the picture courtesies for Google Images. I'll see you soon tomorrow with another GK snippet. Follow me on Samarth Bharat till then. Have a nice day. Take care. Stay safe.